Writing a book could be life-changing. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you should write a book. Number 1, money. It is a tangible object. You can sell this book. There are plenty of ways to do this. We're not going to get into that, but you could sell it online, say Amazon, KDP, or Kindle Direct Publishing, if you like. You could sell it out of the trunk of your car. You could have family and friends send it all over the world. You could, depending on what kind of book you're writing, you could have this displayed at libraries. You could have this as a school reading list book with lesson plans. This could be a finance book. Heck, if you're a motivational speaker and you write a book, this could be one of your tools that we all see it. After the seminar, somebody's like, come on guys, buy my book. And it's sitting in the bag for $35 for 12 pages. We've all seen it, but they're selling it. They get value from the seminar, and now they have a tool to further promote their branding. Number 2, 24-hour sales. Like I said, if you're selling online, could be 24 hours. So you don't necessarily have to be there physically to sell the product. Somebody in another country, another state, doesn't matter. If they see your book and it's online, they can make a purchase while you're sleeping and you've made money. And this is called passive income. Number 3, sense of accomplishment. Now, writing a book takes work. It takes time as an investment. Depending on how you get it published, it can take money. It could be a time investment or a financial investment, or both. It's a lot, trust me. It takes a lot to get the brain flowing, and you have to come up with something that's compelling, something that's catchy, that makes sense for whatever you're standing for. Writing a book is not the easiest, but it does take work. Why do I know that? Because I did it. This is a children's book that I wrote about Bradley the elephant. Yes, my name is Brad. Of course, I can use my own name as main character because I said so. It took me a little while to get that book together. It took me about a month. I had to pay somebody to do the illustrations for me because I can't do it. Now I have a book that I can sell any time of day to anyone. The story allows for continuing in the line or series of books, and it also leads to other things like spin-offs, merchandise, and other areas that I could profit if I choose. Number 4, legacy. Now, having a book or something that you created on your own that you can pass down to your kids, your kids' kids, and your kids' kids is a great thing to be able to say you did. Not just all talk at that point. You have proven something that you said you were doing or something that you wanted to do for a while, and you actually did it, and you have the object. So if you say, you know what, I'm going to write a book, nobody's going to believe you until you can physically show them in their face and say, here, I wrote a book. The family name or whatever your family stands for, it aids in that legacy. It strengthens it. It's something that you can hold on to, something that lasts, not something that's consumable, that's over with in a day. It's something that you did one time, it lasts and lasts and lasts for generations. Number 5, credibility. Now, another example, say you're a lawyer or a woodworker. I like that better. Say you're a woodworker. Now, you make amazing things, amazing products, tables, chairs, furniture, whatever. And you have a lot of people that are asking, how do you do this? I don't know how to do that. Can you show me? or you even have a YouTube channel and you're showing people how to do this and they still don't get it. Well, create a book. You can put your ideas into a packaged idea, a packaged source, so they can, instead of watching 15, 20 videos, they can pay a little extra for this and get it all in one package, the step-by-step guides, where you source materials from, how to source, things like that. This will create credibility because now there's another avenue for them to say, oh, you know what? They do this too. They do this. I've seen them on YouTube. I've seen them doing a book. They're on talk shows. I believe them now, because it takes 7 times for you to interact with somebody to buy anyway. Like I said before, the bonus. When you write a book, it could lead to other things, as I mentioned before. So one thing is affiliate marketing. So you have a book now. You put it on Amazon KDP. Now, if you're an Amazon affiliate, you can actually take that link, place it in your YouTube videos, place it on your website. They click on it. You get paid from your book, and you make commission off of your book twice. You're welcome. Now, I kind of mentioned it a little bit earlier, but like, so say like my book or anybody's book. If it's a really good idea or concept, there could be second books, third books, sequels. There could be spin-offs with other characters. There could be cartoons, comic books. You could be a next Marvel character, who knows? But there could always lead to other things. I mean, heck, even the book that I wrote, wouldn't it be great to have a stuffed animal of Bradley the elephant I could just put on, the shelf somewhere so little boys or girls can actually have this character and read the book too? Great. Now, if you're the type of, if you got a book idea that, you're, say like you're a motivational speaker, like I said earlier in the video, it's a great tool. Even if you're not a motivational speaker, if you have a good book with a good idea, this could lead to speaking engagements. And if you're a top speaker, they get paid a decent amount to sell out an arena. So think about it.